If there's only one hand, can it still make a sound? In a small village hidden among the mountains lives a young monk named Kaido. Kaido is known for his great knowledge and compassion, but he struggles with his own self-doubt. One day, his teacher, the respected teacher Akira, calls him to the forest. Akira-sensei took Kaido to an open space and said, "My young friend, Kaido, I feel that you are in trouble. You are seeking the approval of others. But the true wisdom lies within you. I will teach you how to clap with one hand." After he finished speaking, Akira-sensei raised his right hand, and a soft, faint voice filled the air. Kaido was puzzled. "But teacher, how can you make a sound of applause with one hand?" Akira smiled and said, "A sound of applause with one hand is not only a physical act. It is also a metaphor for self-acceptance. It is an acceptance of one's own worth, regardless of external acceptance." From that day on, Kaido practiced clapping for himself. He learned to accept his own worth, and his self-doubts began to fade. As he walked through the forest, the trees seemed to whisper their acceptance, and the wind carried a gentle hum of self-acceptance. The sound that doesn't exist might echo the loudest within.